look at Shobe. Remember, Shobe wants to be clean. Like Ate Chichi, no? Always clean, no? Kaya umiiyak dahil
Ang ganda ng baby. Iba ang beauty kay Chichi. Magkaiba ng beauty.
mukhang
Magkaiba sila ng
mukha pa rin siyang mukhang girl, no?
Pareho lang din. Kaya lang iba yung ganda nito. Iba rin kay Chichi. Nakalmot na yung yung gilid ng mata.
Hindi ito water.
Want my nose to breathe. Hi, the baby cries again.
Ito rin ang malamig.
Sana.
Ito rin ang malamig.
Let out.
Ayan, pinabilaban.
Let out.
Then, oh, you see, Shobe did not cry anymore. Then close it now.
Shobe, oh.
Shobe is not crying anymore because she thinks so we're out there.